Hey, welcome back, guys. So, you know that uh, artificial intelligence, robotics is the future. So, we are preparing for future, okay? Because in the meantime of 10 to 20 years, 90% trading will be autonomous, okay? Robots will trade for you. You don't have to analyze the charts anymore. So you have to find the best tea, you know. So I enclosed this gold EA. I started uh, from this EA in March. Okay, I deposited $1,000. Okay, yeah, bucks in a trucks on maybe ninth. Yeah, uh, deposited $1,000 and March 9th, April, May, June, July. 4 months, we have fucking profits of $2,200. Okay, so what I did, I just deposited money and I just, you know, delete the MT4. It is working on my VPS. I deleted so I won't able to check it regularly. Okay, yes. So as you can see, okay, on March 1st, from sorry, March. Okay, in March, the profit is $359. Okay, yep. Okay, that's March profit, and move to April. Again, $429 profit. Wow, not bad, not bad. Okay, May, yes, $467 profit. Wow, such consistent robot. June, oh wow, $559 profit. July, and what's 29? Yep. Whoa, $440 profit. Man, I invested $1,000 in it, and regularly from 300 to $500 per month consistently. Wow, this is fucking great year. This year can only work on uh, gold and euro USD pair. Okay, run uh, at single pair. Okay, the minimum equity for this robot is $1,000, but I recommend you to just start from $2,000. If you have this much equity, you can use this robot. But if you don't have uh, that this much equity or less than $1,000, no, don't try this robot. Okay, this robot only for 1,000 or above. If you have a larger equity, boom, man, don't hesitate, just implement this CA. So what I was talking to you, that I deleted this EA and I was amazed. After even 4 months, I look at the charts. Wow, I'm stunned with the profits, man. Whoa, this is fucking great, man. I don't believe that these kind of robots are still in the market, man. Wow, this is fucking great here, man. you know Purchased it for $300 for the from seller. Okay, yeah. So I never believed in this, that it will give me such profits, man. This is fucking crazy. I'm out of words, man. Yeah, this is crazy, man. This is fucking crazy. So only if you want this CA, you just have minimum equity of $1,000. Okay, so I am reselling this EA for just $99. But from when this EA is more profitable, more consistent, this price will surely increase to $200. or even more. Okay, so let me show you today's profit. Okay, this week's profit. Oh, $104. Wow, fucking great. Okay, let's July July 26, sorry. Yep. Yeah, this week $74 profit. Wow, man. And for daily profit, okay. Yeah, daily 20 to maybe 40 someday. This is fucking good, man. With such a small account like $1,000. Wow. Consistently earning, this is a good algo. It trades in both directions. Yep. This is fucking great. Yep, guys. I'm happy, man.